Hi there! Want to see something weird? It's our crazy story with Luke. When Dad met Mom. Love struck. And then they had kids. Let's take off the bonnet. Pick your colors.
Nope, don't want it. Just right.
Let's repaint the diaper. Add a bit of color to the lips. Peel off the old paint. Transport ready. It's time to head home. They're so cute.
Here we are! Congratulations! A gift from us, darling. The best flowers for the best mom. Aw, they're such darlings.
And now it's a contest time. Which items will the babies choose? Go ahead, little ones. Lexi, look at these little shoes. Luke, grab the ball. Uh-oh, something's off. The babies made their choice. Lexi.
Yes.
Luke, son.
Yes, Dad.
The adults are shocked. So, was that an interesting start? It gets even better. Let's grab some cocktail straws. Stretch the net. Football goals and a dance bar. The twins are ready for practice. Let's focus on dancing, sweetie. You're going to be the best ballerina. Come on, honey.
So boring. Oh, a ball! I scored a goal! Mom, catch the pass!
Honey, you really don't like ballet? Come on, stretch your leg.
It's not working! Isn't the bar supposed to help? Do your job!
This isn't working either. Let's go home. All right, son, let's play. Hop! Dad still got it. Now you try. Come on.
Hey!
All boys like football. All right, we'll try something else. Block the ball. They're coming right at me. This isn't football, it's chaos. I want to go home. Come on, buddy. What are we making this time? Let's go with pink. Assemble the pieces. Add some stripes. The twins' outfits are ready. Look how much fun they're having.
Hop, hop, hop! La la la!
I was really hoping for a footballer, son. We should support our kids. My son's gonna be a ballerina? What have Mom and Dad decided? Well, we don't have a choice. Dance outfit.
Yes.
And a football uniform. We know what we have to do. Here you go, sweetheart. And this is for you, dear.
Yay!
The perfect outfits for their hobbies. Time for practice. Emma and Luke arrive at dance class. What a sweet little boy. Luke is the only boy among the girls. Good luck, sweetie. La la la, check out my pirouette. What a talent. Luke becomes everyone's favorite. Bruce and Lexi are at the stadium. Hello. My daughter will be training with you. Show them what you've got. Let's see what you can do.
All right, goal!
Yeah!
Not bad, not bad.
You're awesome! Victory! Thanks for the cushion.
Time to grow up a little. Let's magic up a paintbrush. Create a sketch. Try on the outfit. Team logo. The footballer look is ready. How do you like my outfit? Lexi and Luke are ready for success. Dad, I'm back. My poor legs are so tired. Let's tidy up the shoes. Perfectly aligned. Now the jacket. No wrinkles allowed. Time to freshen myself up. I'm home! Wow, what a day. We were so different.
Whoop, good enough. I'll clean up later. Dad, what you doing?
I was always a daddy's girl. Shall we watch the game together? Time for tea! Oh, sorry, Mom. What's going on? What's all this mess? Luke is having tea with Mom, and Lexi is having fun with Dad. Are we really from the same family? Cut out the pieces. A long strap. The twins' bags are ready. Oh, there's a new girl.
Stretch your leg.
I'm Luke. She's gorgeous. Want to practice together?
With pleasure.
Spin! Jump!
You dance so well.
I'm a bit shy.
Can I kiss you? You're so cute.
Oh, she's absolutely stunning. I'm totally head over heels. My heart wants to dance. Dancer boy, where do you think you're going? Please, leave me alone. Look, I can do that too. Cringe. What's going on here? Hey, I'm talking to you. And who are you? Nobody messes with my brother. Now you're gonna get it. Better apologize. Who do you think you are? You boys better scram. I think it's time to leave. Let's go. Can I pick the color? I want red. Remove the cap. Apply acrylic paint. Cut with scissors. Add a handle. Control panel. Perfect for a romantic atmosphere. Hop, hop. How's my sister doing? Oh, hi, Luke. Goal! Can I talk to you? I have a problem. Well, what's going on? It's so complicated. When it came to love, Luke was always the expert. A boy asked me out, but I don't know what to do. Oh, sis, trust the pro. Where is he? Why does it take so long? Stay calm, no need to panic. Hey there, beautiful. Oh, Jimmy, hi. Sorry for being late. That bully? Are you serious? Shall we sit down and chat? I'm nervous. Don't worry, I'm here. You're so charming. Smile. I really like you. Just be sweet. You're so cool. Music brings people together. Full-on romance. This is my favorite song. Wanna dance? Oh, darling. Now this is my kind of dancing. Huh? Let's take measurements. Cut with scissors. Hand sew it. Draw the stripes. Don't forget the top. Team emblems. Try it on. White knee socks. Football cleats. Lexi is ready for the big leagues. So, what about the cake? A joint birthday party. We're 21. Make a wish. Each twin has their own dreams. You think family parties are boring? Not with us. All the relatives have gathered. The twins have grown so much. Let's show them our skills.
Yes.
Swan dance. Grandma, may I have this dance? Oh, you little charmer. How delightful. Thank you for watching. Nice job. Just fantastic. My turn. Football tricks. Hop, hop. Final move. Goal!
Come on!
Right on target, just not the right one. Skills like this deserve a reward. Caught it! Attach it to a pusher. Trim the handle. Coat it in silver. Coat it with nail polish. Round base. The trophy awaits its champion. Go, Lexi! You got this, sis! The tournament has started. The prize is a super trophy. The competitors greet each other. May the best one win. The game begins. Pass! What a battle! Goal! I won! Lexi became the champion. Honey, we're so proud of you. That's my girl. Congratulations, sis. The trophy is yours, Lexi. The moment of glory. You're my best player. Of course, my brother couldn't resist stealing the spotlight. Everyone, I need your attention. Cecilia, my dear. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Congratulations, bro. Wow, son, you surprised us all. LaLiLu, it's time. Here you go, sweetheart. Smells lovely. The bride will be thrilled. The bouquet's been delivered. Looks like Luke's in the shower. I'll just leave it here. What's this? My brother's wedding shoes. Will you marry me? I have an idea. Let's swap them up for the point shoes. This is for stealing my big win. I'm getting married today. Ah, lovely bouquet. Cecilia will love it. Time to get ready. I need to look perfect. Oh, such a handsome groom. Where are my shoes? They're gone! What a prank. Brother, are you ready? What's on your feet? A true dancer is always ready to dance. Let's go. Dum-da-dum. Luke and Cecilia got married.
Who's the next bride? I want to be me. Are you ready?
Throw it already.
Catch.
Great pass.
Congrats.
Well done, daughter. A family photo time. Smile.